Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Dodge Ram Grille is probably one of the most impactful yet often overlooked components of your truck's exterior, playing a crucial role in both its aesthetic appeal and its functional performance by protecting vital engine components from road debris and enhancing airflow. Whether you're looking to restore a classic look, upgrade to a more aggressive stance, or simply replace a damaged part, selecting the right grille for your 2007 Dodge Ram can significantly elevate your vehicle's presence and ensure its longevity on the road. Number 5. Rightline Gear Truck Bed Tent. Tired of lengthy setup times? Our innovative floorless design allows you to set up camp without removing your gear from the truck bed. It's a game changer for convenience. Crafted with quality in mind, this tent features water-resistant fabric and tape-sealed seams to keep you dry. The durable straps and buckles ensure it stays securely in place without damaging your truck. Experience the outdoors like never before. The sky view vent provides ample light, stunning views, and excellent ventilation, allowing you to sleep comfortably under the stars. Forget about unloading your truck bed. This tent's unique floorless design means you can set it up in minutes, even with your gear still inside. Enjoy reliable performance with its weatherproof construction. It's designed to keep you dry and protected, while the secure attachment system safeguards your truck's finish. Open up your camping experience with the sky view vent. It enhances ventilation and offers beautiful views, making your time in nature even more enjoyable. What we like. This tent offers a unique floorless design, allowing for quick setup without removing gear. Its quality weatherproof construction keeps you dry in various conditions. If you love camping and want a convenient setup, this is for you. What people say. It fits my 18 Tacoma double cab 6-foot bed perfectly. It feels sturdy enough with no gaps. Setup is easy if you follow the instructions and takes 10 to 15 minutes. I love the design. It's roomy. Good ventilation. The zippers are good enough, but like most zippers you still need to be careful with them. I like that there is no floor so you don't have to empty the bed to set it up. And it fits perfectly. Number 4. American Modified Armor Grille for Dodge Ram. Transform the front of your Dodge Ram with this aggressive grille. It's designed to make your vehicle stand out from the crowd with minimal effort. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this accessory is built to withstand the rigors of off-roading. It's lightweight yet highly resistant to impacts. This grille is engineered for a direct replacement of your factory grille. Installation is straightforward, requiring no cutting or complex modifications. Equipped with integrated off-roading LED lights, it cuts through darkness and poor weather. Navigate any trail with improved visibility. This accessory is compatible with 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 models, including Bighorn, Laramie, Lone Star, and Tradesman trims. Please verify fitment for your specific vehicle. The sleek, glossy black finish adds a premium touch to your truck's appearance. It perfectly complements the rugged design. What we like. This grille cover provides a unique and aggressive look to your truck. It features durable ABS construction for off-roading hazards and integrated LED lights for improved visibility. If you're looking to enhance your truck's appearance and off-road capability, this is a great choice. What people say. The fitment was perfect, and the lights illuminated the road amazingly even in the worst weather conditions. Hands down, it's a great buy if you're always traveling and unsure of the conditions you'll encounter. Number 3. CarPartsDepot Replacement Grille for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Give your 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram a fresh new appearance with this sleek, all-black front grille. It's designed for a perfect fit, replacing your old or damaged one seamlessly. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. This grille is engineered as a direct replacement, meaning no cutting or modifications are needed for a straightforward setup. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this grille is built to last. It's lightweight, impact-resistant, and designed for long-term durability. We stand behind our product with a 1-year quality assurance. You can trust in the prime surface finish and overall quality of this replacement part. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues with your new grille, please don't hesitate to contact us for a quick and helpful resolution. What we like. This grille is a direct fit replacement for your factory grille, ensuring an easy installation. It's made from durable ABS material for longevity. If you need a straightforward, reliable replacement for your older Dodge Ram, this is a solid option. What people say. Installation was 90% flawless. Only glitch was bottom 4 clips supplied. They were a slightly larger metric bolt diameter than on my original Dodge clips and bolts. I simply pulled the 4 bottom clips and bolts from my original grille and used them. Easy to install. Use your existing hardware. Came with hardware, but bottom bolts that screw into bottom folded press fit hardware that came with kit did not fit. No matter, used old hardware and it all came together. Nice grille, but not all chrome. Stop looks sharp and fits decently on 07-foot Ram 5.7L extended cab. If you're looking to replace an old weathered worn grille, this new grille from CarPartsDepot comes complete with everything you need, and it simply looks great. Number 2. PERFIT Liner Black Grille for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Upgrade your Dodge Ram with this brand new, all-black grille assembly. It's a perfect fit and comes with a 1-year quality assurance for your peace of mind. This grille is specifically designed for your 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. It offers a perfect fit and is a direct replacement for your original factory grille. Installation is a breeze with this direct fit replacement. No cutting or modifications are needed, ensuring a clean and straightforward installation process. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this grille is built to last. It's lightweight, durable, and impact-resistant, providing excellent protection and a sleek look. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied with your new grille, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help and will respond promptly. What we like. This grille assembly is a brand new, all-black replacement designed for a perfect fit. It boasts durable ABS construction and comes with a 1-year quality assurance. If you're seeking a high-quality, hassle-free replacement for your 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram, consider this. What people say. Great fit and better look. Simple install. New stud mounts included for the top and screw clips for the bottom. This was great product. Fit just like OEM. Number 1. Sherman Dodge Pickup Grille Assembly. Upgrade your Dodge pickup with this high-quality grille assembly. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring your vehicle looks its best. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. This part is engineered for direct replacement, making it simple to get back on the road. Built to last, this grille is made from durable materials. It's designed to withstand the elements and maintain its appearance over time. Restore or enhance the front-end aesthetics of your pickup. This assembly provides a clean and sharp look for your vehicle. Trust in Sherman for reliable automotive parts. This grille assembly meets stringent quality standards for your peace of mind. What we like. This is a Sherman replacement grille assembly designed for a compatible Dodge pickup. It's a direct replacement part with a focus on heavy-duty construction. If you need a specific, robust grille assembly for your Dodge, this is worth looking into. What people say. Perfect fit on my 2007 Ram 1500, and the biggest headache was removing the old one. Easy to install, look good like the factory part. Install was easy, fit and finish is identical to factory. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.